This story begins on May 17th, 2018. That day, a friend of mine, Matt, forwarded me an email from Scotch Cheap Flights with a cheap flight deal to Norway. So within a few days, we had our flights to Norway booked for that upcoming September. Matt and I are both video creators, so we knew we'd be getting a ton of sick content while we were there. So I searched Google Maps and identified about 25 hotels within the area that we wanted to stay. One by one, I clicked on each hotel, navigated to the contact page, and found a contact email. After that, I whipped up a quick email pitch. I want to shout out Matt for letting me use his reel to pitch, because while I'm confident that pretty much anyone could make this deal happen, using his demo reel made my pitch even more compelling. So I waited for 3 days to let replies filter in. Some of them said no, some of them didn't respond, and some of them said yes and asked for more info. Sometimes you just need to ask people for what you want. You'd be really surprised at how many of them are willing to work with you and give you what you want. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.